Audio Jungle.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Ivy and Layla's ClubHouse. Ivy and Layla's sisters' ClubHouse.
No, it's just ClubHouse.
Yeah. So let me bring this here because you brought it in. Yeah. So all right. First we have two special guests. My mom and my brother Tyler.
Hey.
He don't got his glasses so he can't see all barely, but he gotta get an eye problem.
It ain't like he blind. But Layla, before we get to that, make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the post notifications. So when we post a new video, you will not miss out.
Can I say what we got because you backing up everything? Okay, so don't say a word. Let me don't say a word again. Alright, so take that. So today, is this ice cream?
Wait, hold on. Today we are doing a test.
Alright, is this ice cream?
Walk straight.
Ice cream.
This is yogurt. Walk straight.
Yogurt.
Okay, so you tell something and I tell something.
Okay.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna try this. This is a Kitkat
Yogurt.
whatever it is.
It's a Kitkat yogurt. It has yogurt at the bottom. It has Kitkat at the top. And we have
the Hershey colliders.
and we also have the Hershey one but with chocolate.
And then we
Pretzel
have
bites.
Pretzel bites.
and then we have this Reese's yogurt.
And we have white cream covered pretzels with peppermint pieces. Oh, that should be good.
And
Yeah.
then we got birthday cake Oreos. Whoever haven't tried this, where can you get these? Any store, whatever store you ask for, and they don't got them too
Walmart.
bad.
We got Rolo, Colo.
That's old school there. Rolos. We used to have Rolos.
Rolos. I think
Them things hard to eat though. Them
And then
things
next we
full of
have
caramel.
Almond Joy.
Almond Joy from
Almond Joy yogurt.
Almond Joy yogurt.
And
They got coconut in it too, don't it?
I don't like coconut
Yeah,
too
the
much.
Almond Joys have.
okay, and we have a Kit Kat strawberry and dark chocolate.
Duo. And the last one. But Okay, so what we you got gonna a try Hershey's mint. Oh, I bet that's good too.
And we also, last but not least, we have the rainbow popcorn.
From Atlanta, Georgia.
And we have protein puff.
Protein.
Twin Peaks.
All right, Layla. So, what do you want to try first in this beautiful collection?
And this beautiful collection is so wrong and not healthy at all. So,
What you gonna try
Oh,
first?
you guys, if you guys didn't know,
I'm
this, my
staring
dad
at
is
it.
not here.
Which one?
I want to
She's
try.
gonna pick one of the yogurts.
me
I
check.
don't know. I don't know. She wants to try the Kit
Wait, I think I
Twisted
don't.
yogurt.
Okay.
Wait, I want to try this. No, this.
Oh, you want
Yeah,
to try it?
yes.
All right. She wants to try Hershey's yogurt.
Let's try it.
Layla.
I get to open it. It's my choice.
See, this is exactly why we created.
That's why she got a little sister. Little sister, the text. And guess what? Big sisters,
They don't do Jack Billy. They always cry. Layla, this side.
see,
This is why you're supposed to have big sisters.
exactly. Big sisters only.
Okay.
All
so
right, let's go ahead.
You and Mama could try one, and me and Tyler could try one.
Okay.
You wanna try it first?
Oh, let them see how it looking inside.
It's like chocolate pudding.
Yeah,
Like melted chocolate or something like that.
that's how I like it. Melted chocolate.
You shouldn't take it all the way off because you might not even eat all of it. But okay.
It is ice cream.
Okay, let's try.
So,
Wait, where's the chocolate? That's supposed to go in it.
No, this one don't have chocolate in it.
Oh, Mama, you
Tastes
taking
just
off
like
the whole
chocolate.
thing. All right, let's try this.
Ready?
My favorite.
Let's try.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
it don't taste like yogurt at all. God,
No, it tastes like
Is this
chocolate
supposed to be
pudding.
flavored with chocolate?
Mm,
Is it even supposed to be yogurt?
I don't know.
No, this is
Pudding.
Layla,
Well,
it's
you
the
have
same thing.
Okay, guys, my dad is gonna try it now.
So how does it taste?
This is
What did y'all give it?
10 out of 10.
Nah.
I give it a 9. Too.
Oh,
How
1.
is it?
A 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
I like
1.
it.
Oh,
What
yeah.
do you rate it? What do you rate it?
A 1,000. Yeah, it was.
I give it a 10.
He loves chocolate, so of course he would give it a 10. Alright, who wants
Okay,
to
Layla
choose?
is actually eating. Hold on, I'm gonna show him. All of hers.
Okay.
She almost cleaned it.
Alright, so it's my turn.
Okay.
I
It's
for
my-
Ivy and
I
B
is
for
my-
Tyler.
I want to try this one.
The Kit
The
Kat Duos
strawberry dark
and
chocolate Kit Kat Duos. So it's basically chocolate at the bottom and strawberry at the
At the
top.
top.
I know how to do
So you guys, we
I
might
like
not
strawberry.
try all of this stuff because it's too much sweet.
Do you like chocolate?
Can I get this, please?
I know.
Sure.
I know. I like strawberries.
Alright. So this
You know what I mean?
is what it looks
It
like.
smells good.
It smelled worse than it ever smelled before.
Like it looks like Laffy Taffy on the top.
Laffy Taffy, I don't eat Laffy Taffy.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like strawberry. I hate strawberry.
It's like
Okay. Taste it.
Oh,
3, 2,
this
and
one look
1,
like-
and
Go.
So stinking, but okay. I can deal with it. Like that sausage we had this morning. Everything that we had.
Whoa.
I'm bad still eating some.
I like it. Yeah, there's gonna be a piece. I like it. Actually,
I don't.
I like it.
I'll give it a 2.
10.
I give it to you. It's good.
Hate the Laffy Taffy. Love the chocolate.
How is
Come
it?
on.
Yeah.
I like
Help
it.
me cook this
Well,
Laffy
My dad.
I give it about 5.
My dad gives it a 5. I give it
I
a 10.
don't know.
A
I don't
0.
really like dark chocolate.
Alright, Mama.
My go?
Yeah, which one you gonna get?
That was yogurt.
Hershey.
Yeah. We're gonna try the Hershey
Oh, this is the one
Mint
that
flavored.
got the stuff in it.
with dark chocolate. Oh, and it's got dark chocolate.
Are you sure?
See, I don't like mint. Ugh.
I love it.
You don't like mint?
I love it.
Me too.
It's like a
I tried like
strong
Mm.
taste.
I tried like kissy mint, like
Especially when you breathe, it's like
Kisses.
cold in your mouth.
You know, ugh. Only thing I like mint like is something that's medicine, you know,
The only thing I like here is pepper.
You know,
peppermint.
why you don't want to try it like? Because you
I'll
like
eat the chocolate.
I hate it. So it actually has Hershey's in it.
This will actually like yogurt.
Yeah.
With like
I never.
don't spill them out.
This way. Doesn't smell like mint at all.
Whoa! Oh, it smells so strong.
Layla.
That hurt was hot too. Don't do all of them because you might not even like it.
don't.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, taste.
It doesn't taste like mint.
Ugh. I really don't.
0.
I do not like that.
It's good.
It's,
Well,
It's
Wanna
good.
try?
Yo,
I like mint.
I'll be ready for zero.
They only drink.
It's so watery.
You didn't even taste it.
it tastes like
well, it's not bad. It's not
it tastes
bad.
like Listerine, like some kind of
Yeah.
mouthwash.
Yo,
Yeah.
doesn't taste like that.
Ugh.
At 0.
It's
That was nasty.
But the chocolate's good.
You can throw that in the
not bad,
trash.
but it's not good either.
I even know.
But it's good.
It is.
It is.
Okay.
I can't even taste the mint for real, guys.
Let's see. We can try.
Pick something good because all this stuff kind of nasty.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, whatever that word is.
Colliders.
Colliders. Kit Kat colliders.
Chocolate.
Yogurt.
Excuse me.
Alright, you want me to open it a little bit this way? I'll open it. Okay. It has a lot of Hershey. I mean, not Hershey. Reese's bits.
It's Kitkat.
I mean,
Oh, goodness.
Ooh, this one.
Let me start it off.
It looks like banana
Let
pudding.
me start it off for you. Yeah, that's nice.
That's a whole bunch of milk.
I'm not gonna put it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, more like banana pudding.
It's
Okay.
you don't.
But this Reese, I think I'm gonna pick it again.
Now this is a Reese right here.
That stuff almost got stuck in my throat. That give that a 10 out of 10.
It just tastes like some pudding with some candy pieces.
I'll give it a 6. That's too much milk for me.
Yeah.
I love vanilla. And I love vanilla pudding. So that's actually really good.
I give it a 5.
Let me add some
chocolate.
I like it. Mm-hmm.
Me and my dad actually love vanilla. So, me too.
Show.
We all love vanilla. It's actually good.
Here.
Alright,
What you
Layla.
think?
It's 10 out of 10 for me.
10.
Back to me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I
So you
go.
want to move some of this stuff out the way?
Let's clear
But I
some of
wanna
this stuff.
eat.
Layla, you can eat it after.
Yeah, you can eat it afterwards.
Cause we just trying it.
I wanna try.
What?
Wait, hold on. This looks kind of good.
It's
the
not.
Reese's.
The Reese's.
The Reese's Cup Buttercup.
Oh Lord. Hold on.
I know how to start it, girl. Friend, girlfriend, whoever it is, girlfriend.
But oh, yeah, that's fine.
I would say like milk.
Did it come in any?
No,
Yeah,
it
this
didn't
is
come like
like chocolate pudding.
It looks like the same one we just had.
They're supposed to be at the top, not the bottom. They're supposed to be at the top.
Ooh, it look good
You
in the
gonna poke me in
middle.
my eye with your spoon.
You're supposed to put this at the top and the bottom.
Okay, ready?
Mine came out good.
It's peanut butter in the middle.
No, I hate peanut butter.
It's a Reese's.
Was peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Nasty.
Oh, goodness.
I like peanut butter.
You got too much.
What it taste like?
It tastes like caramel and chocolate.
Yeah.
He hates caramel.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
But I would never buy that again. Y'all need to clear that out, y'all shelves.
Yeah.
I wouldn't eat that.
Chocolate and peanut butter just don't mix.
Okay,
No.
come on. Oh,
Get that to the dogs.
no,
They
not
chocolate.
dogs can eat chocolate.
Come on with
They
it.
ate our donuts.
It'll make their spine lock up.
Oh,
But they
God.
ate
Nah, I was just joking.
I was about to
I
say.
didn't say anything. Okay, who just picked that Reese's?
Layla, and that was disgusting. 0 out
Yeah,
of
that
10.
was nasty.
Y'all give my stuff a 0.
Alright.
Y'all give our stuff a 2.
So let's try the almond joy.
So my dad actually picked, and he got the almond joy. So we actually went
I
to the
know.
store
I'm
and
probably
picked up
not gonna like
one
this.
of
I know,
each.
right? Yeah, I don't like coconut.
Yeah.
I love coconut. Actually, my dad does too. We love coconut. I do not know how to open this.
And that meat and
That's
greet
how
was
it's
fun.
Yeah, what?
So,
That meat and greet.
Tell them what meet and greet y'all went to.
We went to Trinity's meet and greet.
So y'all gonna be so jealous if y'all hear my day. But if y'all was there,
You guys would have loved it.
This
Yeah.
is
If you guys were there,
Hazo A. Lee was there.
what was
Awesome.
it? That Naya was there.
It's a nice.
It's so Naya.
that lion.
And Coco
Tra-
TTV.
This
Trey and Didi.
this is a lot of coconut.
Yeah, I just put a little bit.
Dave Dash was there.
Mm-hmm.
Coco Abby.
And my sister Jayla. So we actually left early. And we had like a girls' day.
Me
Did you try
and my
it?
two sisters. We went to Fridays. It's a new restaurant.
Might not even like.
We get in the hotel. We had a pool, but we didn't go in. We went in Jayla's pool and had a hot tub. That's what it looks like.
Ooh. I can't stand no coconut.
Is it chocolate with coconut mixed in it?
Almonds in it too.
Try to like the almonds now.
They coming.
I didn't get them. I just put
coconut takes over.
That's pretty much about the same. It's the same chocolates, right?
Some more in there.
The chocolate tastes the same.
I love coconut.
Okay, whose turn is supposed to be Mom's? Yeah.
Yeah. Whose turn is it? Mom's.
Say the reason why I don't like coconut, it doesn't taste right, but it also gets stuck in your teeth.
No, it is kind of hard, like, to chew up and swallow. Alright, so, wait, Mom! Alright.
Let's peanut butter.
So, Mom got mini, pretzels.
Yeah.
Chocolate covered pretzels. You go ahead and give everybody one.
Clear out.
Yeah, we have to.
Construction place.
We have to. Oh, it has peppermint on it.
That's so.
Oh, the peppermint.
What's the look like over that?
Is it like
bag?
it's like a Christmas?
A cream covered peppermint. I mean pretzels with peppermint pieces.
Let's try it.
These are good.
You can have mine.
Refreshing too.
Yeah, you want to have it.
Thank you.
Yeah, we like have these on the go. I hate pretzels. And you forgot to bring breath mints. You could actually take these with you.
Yeah.
It's that salt taste that mixed with it.
I hate. Y'all gonna be chocolate. I'm gonna say next.
Yes, you gonna say next?
No, it's the whole thing.
We did right now.
You gotta put that in the pot in a pudding, Layla.
What?
That goes in your pudding.
Oh,
that's the
right. That's Tiatia. I love
Almond
Joy. Tiatia.
And the pretty much like everything, huh?
I give the Reese's 1 a 0. Peanut butter and chocolate just don't mix. Like you in the car, don't mix together.
Okay.
You get taken care of every time.
Okay, y'all ready? You got something right there in front of you too.
It's pretzels.
I could get this.
The Rolo colliders.
Caramel. Oh, this is what I was looking at.
Oh, is it caramel?
Yeah.
Yeah, why did you want to eat it?
Go ahead and get this over with.
It's not caramel,
This is rolled up.
Yeah. I don't even think I never
But,
had
Joe,
those.
you had caramel.
They came in a little small, the
You
little
want to
pack,
hurry to get it.
like a pack, like
Like a Snicker?
like
I do want to say this. This is what I haven't ate pickles.
And it has like stuff at the bottom. It looks like peanut butter.
I just ate pickles. I gave them to Ivy in the car.
Taste it.
Taste what?
Here's my taste.
I hope this don't got no pickles.
This don't taste like, well, I don't know how Rolo tastes, but this tastes more like a Milky Way.
that.
Yeah.
What is this?
It tastes like a Milky Way.
Yeah, more like kind of like a milky. If you melt chocolate and then put milk in it.
It's like chocolate.
Like a caramello. That's what it tastes like.
That's good.
Like a caramello.
Like a, like you're talking about like a Milky Way.
I do probably like a 9.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah, like an 8. You don't even taste the caramel.
I don't eat caramel.
Exactly, you don't even taste it. But
What are you doing, girl?
You
dancing.
hyper.
Dancing because I'm hyper.
Lasting after a while, it's like Spider-Man.
Alright, well, I got my last spoon. Right.
Okay.
We're all
This is 4 more. Oh, it's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright.
We got a lot of chocolate. If y'all want to kind of overlook that Hershey one, they pretty much probably taste
Well,
the
I'm gonna try
same.
this. I'm gonna try this guy. I know
No, we gonna say that one for mine.
those are nasty.
You don't even know.
Right.
Okay, so just pick one.
Put this back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get drum roll, please. I'm gonna choose
Alright, come on.
Daisy.
Daisy. I love freaking
You and Mama just be going on Russian into stuff.
I thought you were going to say something.
Can I see?
Fresh.
Alright, so let's go ahead and open this with a sheet. Okay.
Guys, I actually really tired because
We went out for 7. Our family never ate pickles in 7
and we are also babysitting our nieces tomorrow, so it's gonna be a long day for me tomorrow.
It's like
Thank
wafers,
you.
not wafers. A little bit, yeah.
They look
Yeah,
bigger
like
on the
Are these
box.
pretzels?
No, I don't think so.
Yes, they are. They pretzels.
No! I don't want one.
Well, they might not be pretzels. Just
Okay, this is what it looks like in the
These
inside.
are
It's a pretzel. It's a
Yeah.
pretzel.
Yeah.
Pre-
I don't know.
These here.
They pretzels again.
I didn't even realize. Gosh, which was I hate pencil.
You got just try a little bit.
No. Dad,
That's a waffles, Layla.
It's a wafer.
That's a waffle.
Here, try it.
Wafer.
pencil.
Come on, just try
Crispy, creamy, sweet, and salty.
I can taste your pencil.
Oh, I can taste the salt.
I
put it right there.
I like it. I like it.
See,
I'm gonna taste it.
Yeah, you can get something else.
Because that is
Uh-huh.
nasty and I hate
So
No.
what else you gonna taste, Layla?
So any type of pretzel in it,
No.
you gonna think is nasty.
We can't be doing this right
Dad,
now.
but I want to pick. Hi, you guys.
Okay, guys, we only have 2 left, which is the popcorn and the Oreos. So I'm gonna pick the popcorn.
I'm gonna pick the Oreos, and plus I'm Teddy Duncan.
She
Yes,
is
that's great.
not Teddy Duncan.
And this is Amy Duncan. This is Charlie. Behind there is Bob. This is PJ.
It's awful good luck, Charlie.
So back there is
Oh, I
Bob.
don't like the good.
Bob Rossi. Alright, so this is Rainbow.
You don't gotta do it to make it sound.
I love it.
ASMR.
Come on, just go ahead.
I got it just like you.
Yeah, I don't. Why you? No. You open.
I love me some popcorn. Give me pink, all colors of the rainbow.
No, it is all colors on the rainbow.
Why you just open it like?
Cut up. Yeah, you're gonna have to put just a little bigger hole in it. Don't go down with it. Go up.
Oh, these things stuck even worse than mama.
Ooh, it tastes like they smell weird. No. Why are you doing
That's
that?
enough. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh, I
oh, that
hate
is
pink.
not.
So I love
Okay,
pink.
that's enough.
You only got
Y'all,
one.
if y'all want to come out here with
The
some
kernels
food,
be getting stuck in my
y'all,
teeth.
if y'all want to come to our house and eat breakfast here,
Wow,
that's gonna be a mistake.
You guys, this is not,
sausage.
it's not coming out how I wanted it to.
Okay, y'all ready?
Not yet. I haven't got mine.
Okay.
It tastes just like bubblegum.
This is purple.
Bubblegum, and they just how many pizzas can you eat?
Ew,
Kind of like Fruit Loops. 3, 2,
Yeah.
let's go.
That's what it is.
Tastes like Fruit Loops.
It's fruit salad.
But it has more of a flavor to it though.
Yeah.
Fruit salad popcorn.
I have a really good
Purple.
flavor. The yellow tastes like lemon.
Yellow.
The red tastes like strawberry.
And the purple,
Well, that was a pink.
the purple tastes like
Great.
great.
and I have 2 pinks. Let's drain my clean teeth.
Yeah. Just
It's
like hot
just
cherry.
closing time.
It tastes like Skittles.
Popcorn for me.
Did you actually just say it's disgusting?
It tastes like a Skittle.
Your
Tastes like Skittles.
tail turning pink.
Go.
So now let's try the Oreos to get.
One.
Let's try the Oreos so I can get my teeth dirty.
That one they 10 out of 10.
Okay.
We both get 2.
I just want one.
Teeth pinky. You want 2? Teeth pinky baby.
Yeah. I thought they were supposed to be white.
Oh, they got chocolate as well.
Oh, they chocolate and white.
I got the
I look
birthday
like
colors in
mint
it.
in a straw.
They got birthday colors
in
in
the
it.
shadow.
It is. Yeah.
Oh my God, clean.
Oh, so I have white in it and chocolate.
Yeah, they got white filling and chocolate filling.
White filling.
Yeah.
How
You ready?
did you do that? How you? Oh, mine came perfectly.
You ready?
Nah.
Go.
That one's broke. I didn't even just.
That's good.
Tiny ego.
You don't like them?
No.
Are you gonna try it?
No, go ahead.
No.
That's
Give
enough
it a
chocolate
2.
for you, Irene. So what do y'all think about those?
The flakes are.
And that is the new birthday cake, chocolate actually, it's the chocolate confetti. The birthday, 110. Oh, they celebrating Oreo cookies. Okay,
100, oh, the Oreo
110 years old.
110 years old.
Ain't that something? So we got to make sure we tag that.
Mm-hmm.
Oreos definitely win. But we still gotta get our teeth dirty. Okay, guys, it is the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so when we post a new video, you will not miss out.
So anybody y'all want to give a big shout out to?
Everybody.
To Oreo.
You guys want to give a big shout out to anybody y'all met at the meet and greet?
Yeah. Coco TTV and more eats.
More eats.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
More eats. Miss Shan and Big Billy White and Miss Shan and we're gonna call it a few. Cousin AB, Trey and Nene. Oh, and one more person. Wait, I know a person. Dame Dash. Who's that girl name? Jayla.
Anaya?
Naya. Sanaya. It's
Sanaya.
Sanaya.
Wait, it's someone else. Let me get the name shout out.
Oh, and I'm also gonna call another member of Big Billy White, Miss Shan, Diva. It's their little puppy. She is so cute.
Here's really cute. Let me think of this name.
Is it?
Oh, I forgot us. We already did the challenge.
So who is us?
What's that family?
Name all the YouTubers.
Oh, God.
Name all of them.
Is it WTF with the family Tabor?
The Griffiths. WTF with the family Tabors.
And the Griffins.
Oh, you talking about
Prayer couple.
Praying couple. Good job, baby.
Good job, Layla.
Yeah, she is the person that
I know what I'm talking about.
she was
And
the
Critica, whoever.
they were the people. They were the people that.
Oh yeah, Critique.
And her
Okay.
brother,
And her.
Sarthrak.
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 So you said on my Sarthrak.
So you guys.
Sarthrak.
Okay, you guys, they were the people who surprised us at the hotel while we were there, and she also gave us some treats, and she gave Mama a little bling thing.
That was a praying couple series.
Yeah,
Praying
to
couple
wear
series.
on.
Oh, and one more thing. When we was packing from that hotel, look what my brother did with that. They went in the pool. We just went out and went to dinner.
But we were in Jayla hot tub. But we are gonna see you guys in the next video.
Good.
Bye.
Audio Jungle.